Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 3.3 question number 11. Right. Already I have completed up to 10 questions. Right. I told you. What I told you already. You have to recall the identities. Right. First I am going to recall the identity. Sin A plus sin B equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Got it, children? Next, sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Got it, children? Now, everything we are getting the basic identity. What I say, cos A plus B, right? Cos of A minus B, sorry, cos A minus cos B equal to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. First you have to write and recall the identity in the right side. Right? Now what it is given in the question number 11, you see cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 into sin x. Which identity is suit? You have to see. Once if you are thorough in the identity only you can write, then you can match. Which is suit here? Cos A. This one total you consider as A. The total you consider as B. That means which is cos A minus cos B equal to LHS equal to minus 2 into sin what? 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Got it, children? Next. Shall I write it in the next step, children? That means it is easy to understand. I will write it here. Right. LHS equal to minus 2 into sin of, what is your A? 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x, the whole thing divided by 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 plus x. What are children? Minus b. Where b is 3 pi by 4 minus x. So minus into plus, minus 3 pi by 4, minus into minus, plus. The whole thing divided by 2. 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 cancel, plus x minus x cancel. See this 2 and this 2 you don't want to cancel, children. It is an angle. You cannot cancel. The minus 2 let it be as such. Sin 3 pi by 4 is nothing but what? 3 pi by 4. 3 into 45 degree. 135 degree. 135 plus 135, 270 degree divided by 2. Then sine 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel. Then it is equivalent to 135 degree. Got it, children? Now minus 2 into sine 135 degree into sin x. See 135 degree, how you are going to express? You are going to use the quadrant concept, right? Sine of 180 minus 45 degree. Sine 135 degree is equivalent to what? 180 minus 45. It is a second quadrant. The second quadrant, it is a sine house. So the function, it won't be disturbed. What is the thing? Sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. So minus 2 into sine 45 degree into sine x, which is equal to minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine x. The whole number you are going to write it in terms of irrational. Root 2 into root 2 minus divided by root 2 into sine x. So root 2 cancel. What is the result you arrive? Which is equal to what it is? Which is equal to minus root 2 sin x. This is your RHS. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now I am going to move to question number 13. What it is? Question number 13. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Question number 12. Sorry, children. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. See the left hand side, what it represents. Anything it comes to your mind, children? Yeah, very good. A square minus b square identity. That means sin 6x plus sin 4x a plus b into a minus b. Sin 6x minus sin 4x. Got it? Now, sin a plus sin b. 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Got it, children? Into sin a minus sin b. What it is? 2 into cos 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Got it? Now, this one you see 2 into sin 10x by 2 cos 2x by 2 into 2 cos 10x by 2 cos 10x by 2 sin 2x by 2. Got it, children? You have to recall the identity, then only it is easy to solve, right? Which is equal to sine 5x cos x 2 cos 5x sin x. Now you see, again I am going to apply the trigonometry identity, then only I can get the right hand side. See, 2 sin cos, sorry children, 2 sin 5x cos 5x, right? 2 sin 5x cos 5x into 2 sin x cos x. Just I am grouping, that's it, right? Because multiplication it won't be affected, right? This one it represents what? Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, right? This one is replaced by what? Sin 2x. Got it? Now, this one in the place of a, what you have? 5x. So, sin 2 into 5x, which is equal to sin 10x into sin x. Got it, children? Whether did you understand or not? A, in the place of a, you have 5x. So, a should be replaced by 5x. You arrive, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. The question number 13, the same way, you people should try, right? That is your homework. Question number 14, I am going to do. Question number 14. What it is? Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Got it, children? See, this 2 only I am going to match. I can use the identity. This one you keep as such, right? Sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Got it, children? The left hand side I did the modification without disturbing the given. Sin A plus sin B. 2 sin 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x divided by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. Got it, children? You have to think which you can match, you can apply the identity. That is important, right? 2 into sin 8x by 2 into cos 4x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x, which is common in both the things. 2 sin 4x is common. Then what should be the rest? Cos 2x plus 1, right? Again, I am going to recall the identity. Cos 2x plus 1 or 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. What is, children? 2 cos square x. Now you see 2 into sin 4x. This one can be replaced by what? 2 cos square x. Then what is your result? 4 cos square x into sin 4x. 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sine square x. Got it, children? Whether did you understand or not? Yes. Now question number 15. Let me know how to solve this, right? Two people are going to participate. Question number 15. Cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x equal to cot x sine 5x minus sine 3x. Here you want to do LHS separate or HS separate, right? It is entirely different. Cot 4x into, first you have to take LHS. What result you arrive, the same thing you want to get it in the RHS also, right? Sin A plus sin B. 2 sin 8x by 2. Directly I wrote because we did several times. Cos 2x by 2. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now, cot 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. See here, 2 cancel, 2 4s are, right? LHS equal to. Now, cot 4x can be written as cos 4x divided by sin 4x. 2 into sin 4x into cos x. Sin 4x cancel. You arrive the result 2 cos x into cos 4x. The same way, if I arrive RHS, my result is true, right? What is RHS? RHS equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x, which is equal to cot x sin A minus sin B. 2 cos 8x by 2 into sin 2x by 2. Got it, children? Directly I wrote the formula, right? Cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. This is your A, this is your B, right? This is your A, this is your B. Now, cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into 2 cos 4x into sin x. Sin x cancel. Then what is your result? 2 cos x into cos 4x. See your LHS. 1. This is your 2. So 1 equal to 2. That means LHS equal to RHS. It implies 1 equal to 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Got it, children? Thank you, children. I will continue tomorrow. You have to go through, you have to recall the identity daily. You have to practice the identity. Then only you feel easy. Right? Trigonometry is a wonderful chapter. Right? Thank you, children, once again.